Artie, and guess what? We back with another one. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. You guys. Let me gather myself. You guys know I've been having this giveaway, right? And I've just been saying, let's just get to 100 subscribers and it's going to be on and pop. I'm going to pick a winner. Well, guess what, you guys? I got to 100 subscribers. Yay! Thank you so much, girl. Thank you. Oh my gosh, guys. I was so excited when I woke up and seen that I had 100 subscribers. I mean, it may seem small to some people, but we celebrating all types of milestones right here. I had a goal that I wanted to reach 100 subscribers by a certain time, and I met that goal. So I'm happy. I'm celebrating, you guys. I even put on my glossy lips today. I ain't had glossy lips since 05. You hear me? Because your girl is what? Shining, 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 shining. Yeah, all of this winning. I know, I'm too much. I'm being dramatic, but that's why this look is dramatic today. Because I was just so happy, you guys. I want to thank you guys for your support. Let's continue to make this channel grow, you guys. We're going to have some more fun content coming out. You guys, I'm going to announce the winner on my next video because I have to do the shuffle, raffle, all that stuff. So I am going to announce the winner on our next video. So you guys stay tuned. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, hit the post notification bell. If you don't do it anytime, do it now because you could be the winner. But you guys, I'm not going to keep you for too long. Thank you again so much for your support. You guys, make sure you guys follow me on social media. I do have more content on my pages. If you guys want to follow me, I'll put my name on the screen somewhere here. And you guys, I ain't got nothing to say. I mean, peace out. Catch you on my next video when I announce who the winner is. I love you guys. Peace. Alright guys, let's get started. As you can see, I've already prepped my eye or primed my eye using the Pro Concealer in the color Pure Beige. And you guys, I finally got my hands on the James Charles Morphe palette. So that's going to be the palette I'm using for this entire look. I'm going in with the orange color 518 and I'm going ahead and just putting that all over my eye, bringing it all the way up to my brow. Then I'm going to go in with that pink color. It's called Skip. And we're just going to blend those in together. But first you just pack that color in. And then you start to blend it together. Now I'm going in with the color Escape. It's a purple color, and this color for me was the hardest to work with. It was hard to blend it into that pink color, so you'll just see me doing a lot of back and forth with this color. But that pink and orange, it blended perfectly, but that purple for some reason was giving your girl a hard time. Then I just went in with the clean blending brush and just blended everything together. And also, you guys, I got some new brushes. These are also the James Charles Morphe brushes. And now I'm going in and just cutting my crease. And you guys, I did not like the way I cut this crease. I did not want it to go down towards my eyelid at the end. So you'll see I went back in and switched up the shape. And now because I switched up the shape, I had to go back in with that purple color and fix that crease area. And then I'm going to go ahead and clean it up again. And as you can see, I brought the cut crease up towards my eyebrow. Then we're just going to go in with our concealer and finish out that cut crease. And you guys, I used like a square tip or a square shaped concealer brush to cut the crease, and it gave me a hard time. I did not like that. So I found out that it's best just to use a rounded shape or a rounded tip brush. This did not work out well for me. As you can see, it was not sharp at all, so I had to go back in and clean that up. So it took longer than usual. Now we're just filling it in. Now I'm going back in with that 518 color, that orange color. And as you can see, we're doing the reverse of the color. So I'm bringing it to the inner eye. Then I'll go in with the pink color, the Skip color. And then we'll blend those two together. And then we'll go in with that escape color on the outer eye. And as you can see, I didn't bring it all the way up to the top because we will be adding a white liner that will cover that part up. I did not want any of the color to get into the color that is on top. And we're gonna go ahead and just blend that in. Now I'm just going in with my NYX liquid liner in the color white, and you guys take your time on this stage because we want it to be as crisp and straight as possible. And I'm just outlining where we did that cut crease. Then I'm just going back over it just to make the line a little thicker. And I'm making it even thicker at the edge. And now I'm just going in with my NYX Epic ink liner in the color black, and we're doing just a small wing. And it's going to connect with that white eyeliner. And now I'm going to go ahead with that white eyeliner, go right on top of the black eyeliner. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna go back in and just thicken up that white once again, connecting it with the other white eyeliner. Now I'm just going in with my NYX base, eyeshadow base, white eyeshadow base, to do our under eye shadow. And what I did not show is I did outline my waterline with the black eyeliner, but now I'm just going in with the smudge brush with that color Escape, that purple color. Then I'll just follow those colors with the Skip, which is the pink, and then the 518, which is the orange. And there we have it. We have both eyes done now. I went ahead and put on my spider lashes. You guys, these lashes are crazy. Now I'm just priming my face using the e.l.f. Luminous Matte Primer. And then we're going in with our foundation, Juvia's Place I Am Magic in the color Nairobi. And just adding some of that nourishing face oil from e.l.f. And we're going to go ahead and just blend that out. And of course I'm going in doing my concealer with the color Warm Honey from Pro Concealer. Or from LA Girl Pro Concealer. And we're just gonna blend that out, making sure not to mess up our under eye makeup. And now I'm just going in with my Juvia's Place foundation stick to contour our face in the color Nambia. and just work on blending that out. And you guys, now I'm just going ahead and set in my face using the banana powder. And now you guys, I did go ahead and also use the You're Kidding the You're Kidding eyeshadow from the James Charles palette as a blush. And that's what we did there. And now I'm going in and just getting a little bit of highlighter from my Sleek palette and getting all our little hot spots that we usually get. And now I'm just moving to my lips. And you guys, I just got this lip liner that I have no clue where I got it from. I've had it for a long time, but it's in kind of a reddish, magenta-ish color. And then I'm going in with the NYX, what is this? Mega Shine lip gloss in the color Sugar Pie. And then you'll see me just clean up the lip a little bit with some concealer. And that's it, guys. This is a finished product. This is just a whole mess of color, you guys. I was feeling very colorful today. So this is what we got. I hope you guys like it. I did enjoy doing this look for you guys. Always remember, you guys, to like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. But peace out, guys. Until next time.